In this video, we will show you how to send a sequence message on WhatsApp. Once the live conversation between the bot and user finishes, the sequence allows scheduling messages in a series. We can set several sequence messages to run hourly or daily. Let's see how to set up a sequence message on WhatsApp. We'll build a bot and insert a sequence at any point where they encounter a postback. To create a bot for WhatsApp, go to the WhatsApp Bot Manager from the left navigation menu. Then select the WhatsApp bot account, and then click on the bot reply. From here, click on the Create button. It will redirect you to the Visual Flow Builder to create the bot. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow to give the bot a name. Let's add a trigger and connect it with the Start Bot Flow. Double-click on the trigger to add keywords. Add your keywords, separated by commas. We can use exact match keyword or string match. Here we are using exact keyword match. So, now whenever a user sends a message with any of the keywords in it, this bot will trigger. We can add several types of replies from the dock menu. We can use text, image, audio, video, file, and interactive. Let's add a text reply and connect it. Double-click on the text element to configure it. Enter your text reply here. We can specify a delay for the reply. You can also insert an element by dragging the cursor from the next socket, and then leaving it to see the available options. Let's add an interactive reply this time. Double-click on it to configure. In the interactive element, you can use a header. There are two types of headers, namely text and image. The header is not mandatory here. You can either use an URL or simply upload the media. Let's add a header image. Write the message. Hit the OK button. You can zoom in or zoom out by using the mouse wheel. Let's add two buttons with the interactive element. Double-click on the button. Give a name to the button. Then select the button type. Let's select a new postback. Give a name to the postback. Add a reply to this postback. Do the same for the other button. Here on the postback, we have an option to add a sequence with this postback. If we add a sequence on this postback and the user hit the button, they will be assigned to this sequence message. Let's add a sequence with it. By default, there are 3 sequence messages. You can add more, or remove any if you want. Double-click on the new sequence and give it a name. You can select the starting and closing times, to specify the time of day for sending the sequence message. By default, it's 24 hours. Then select the time zone. Hit the OK button. Now, double-click on the sequence single item. For hourly messages, select 24 hours, and for daily messages, select daily. Next, choose the time frame. If you choose 30 minutes, the first sequence will be delivered 30 minutes after the live chat session has ended. Then give a name for the postback. Next, add the message that will be sent as a sequence message. You can use any kind of reply on the sequence message. For instance, I am using a text reply. In the other single sequence, let's select daily. For the daily sequence, we must use a message template. Because WhatsApp allows only message templates, if we want to send a message after the 24-hour message window, select a message template. Then select the day on which you want to send this message. Let's select day 2. We don't need this postback anymore for this sequence. So, just remove this. We can rearrange the bot components by clicking on the Rearrange button. You can zoom in or zoom out by using the mouse wheel. Finally, save the bot. So, when a user visits this bot, and clicks on the designated button for the sequence will be allocated to the user, and scheduled messages will be sent accordingly. Let's check the sequence. Wait for 30 minutes. Yes, it has the sequence message that was scheduled to be sent after 30 minutes. It would send another message on day 2. So, the sequence message gives you the ability to schedule a sequence message to be dispatched several hours or days after the conversation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.